All right, so a simple demo. This is your working space. You come here to File, select File, go to Open. After you open, you select the image that you want to work on. So let's wait as it opens. Slow down a little bit, but let's wait. Okay, so it's pop up. So let's take it, for example, this is the image I want to work with, this one. I double click and it will just load to my screen. Now it comes here. I just click open image, I click it, just load, and then that's how it is. Now there's a shortcut you can use to zoom out or in. Control plus, it zooms out. Control minus, it zooms in. That's how it is. So that's the short key that you can use. Control, you hold it, you press control, you hold it, and you press the plus on your keyboard. And then you press control, you hold it, you press minus on your keyboard. That's how it is. Then zoom in. Now, to start removing the background, I just have to duplicate my layer. This layer, I have to duplicate it. I will right click it, come to duplicate, and then give it any name I want. Then I'll click OK. Immediately I click OK, you see that this is the duplicate. There's the first one, and this is the duplicate. After, I'll come down here, select my solid color, which I mostly use red because that's the favorites I mostly use. I just click here and just the red color that I want. And this one you can click anywhere and you choose. So you can just bring it here, drag it to the corner, this red. I click OK. So now you can see that in the layers, the solid color is first. The image I want to crop, I want to remove the background is second, but I don't want that. This is the image I want to work with. So I'll just make sure I drag the solid color to the middle, and then the image will now come on top. All right, so now let's go and select our eraser tool. Eraser tool, you come here, this one, and you right click. Then you select the background eraser tool. You click this one. And then when you finish, you see that I'll have to come and select the image. This one is, it can't do, I can't work with it since I've not selected the image. So I have to come here. Now the selection is on the solid color. So I have to click this one so that the selection will come on the image. Now when I come here, you see that it's plus, it means I can work with it. All right, so now let's try to zoom out a little bit, and so that you can see what we are working with and see the image properly. All right, so zoom out again. Okay. Now let me start erasing and see. So as I told you previously, whatever color you choose, that's what you be erasing. So when you are starting, just select the background color. Click on the background color, you see it's red, and begin to erase. Click, when you click, hold it. You click the white, you hold it, and then, or you click the background, you hold it, and then you be cleaning. Hold it and be moving your mouse. You see, we are cleaning it. But I don't know whether you can see that there are some few things on the hair. There are some still white on it. I don't know. Let's increase the tolerance. I've already explained. With the tolerance, you know, you are tolerating something. So let's make it 70 and see whether that one will work for us. 17. Let's see. Okay, I think 70 is okay. Oh no, it's cleaning more. All right. If you see that it's cleaning much portion of the distance too much, you can just reduce it. So I think the 70 is working. So I can just reduce the picture a little bit and then continue my erasing. Can continue the erasing. All right. So this one, it depends on the picture, every picture, and then the tolerance that you have to. So once you are cleaning, you now increase or decrease the tolerance based on where you are cleaning, so that your work becomes so neat. All right, so this is that. I can just come here and clean this one here. Here, I want to reduce my tolerance more. I'm done with the hair. So let me just reduce my tolerance more so that I will know what I'm doing. Let me make it something like 30. All right. And then begin to clean the hand and see whether it will work. Okay, to work. Let's work for the hand. Okay, to work for the hand. To work for the hand. All right. Okay. Let me go back. Let me start again. If you want to just go back, it just Control Z and you go back. So let's say I do this. I want. Sorry. Okay, it's back. All right. So let's say I do something like this, and I want to clean it, or I want to return back. I didn't want to do this, but I've done it. So I just click Control, hold it, and press Z to just clean. So now let me just come here and begin to clean the hand. I think the distance is too big. Let me reduce the eraser small. This is the eraser. So if you want to increase the size, you come here, you increase it to be big. And I want to use the eraser small. So I will erase the small one. Okay. So click the background color and begin to erase. All right. So begin to erase. All right. Begin to erase. All right. Begin to erase. All right. Erase, erase, erase. Just make it a bit smaller. All right. So now I can continue my erasing process. Just erase, do the erasing as close as you can to the image. That's the most important thing. As close as you can, so that the rest you just use the shortcut to clean it there. All right, so okay, yeah, I'm done. I can clean here too. I can clean here. I can clean here. All right, it's cool. All right. Now I come here. I clean here too. Clean here. Clean here. I just click the color outside, and I'll just move my mouse. All right. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. Okay. Mission complete. Okay, so you see I've cleaned around the picture everywhere. I've cleaned around the picture. So that's how it works. So what I'm going to, all that I'm going to do is that I'm going to just come to, now this is what we use to the tool to clean the around. So you just come here, first, second, third for this one. When you click, you see two, quick selection and magic 1 to 2. Click on the magic 1, 2 and select this one. See, so immediately I select, I click delete, it's deleted. There's some small white here, I click it, delete, it's deleted. There's some white here, I click it, delete, it's deleted. So everything is deleted now. See, the image is there now, clean. Something small here. Okay, so I'm done with my image. When I click on this, it select everything. When I click outside, everything is deselected. So I'm done with my work. So I can just close the eye of the solid color. I close it and I close the eye of the background. Now the work is clean. The lady can see. Very beautiful. So all that I have to do is that I have to export it or like save it and use it for my work. How do I save it? It's very simple. Come here, file, I come to save, then this one will come. Here, I just give it a name I want, blah, 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 blah. Just click the name you want to save your file. Then this file type, save as type, you select PNG. So click the drop down and then come and select PNG, this one, PNG. Click on PNG, and then you are done. Just click on save, you are going. So immediately you do So just pop up, say non-fast or non-stroke fast, and then smallest stroke slow. Please choose this one. Don't choose this one. Choose the first one, non-stroke fast. Then here is none. Yes, none. Yes, non-stroke fast. Click OK. Your image is saved. So you can just go to your folder where you saved your image, and hello, it's here. Very simple. And let's go there and check. So if you want to go and check, just come here. Show it for you. This is it. Okay. So share with you. This is the image. It has come here. This one. So you can open it and see that everything is clean. How simple it is. That is very simple. We can do this to a lot of images. You can crop a lot of images, import more images, crop all of them. Everything is simple. The same way I can also import another image. Let's say I want to import another image. I come to, so I've shown you important, come to file, come to open. Then what do? Select the image. So let's say this time I want to use this animal. Okay, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Oh, all right, let me select another image. It's not good. All right, open. Which one? Had a kind of, okay. Let me select MasterCard. MasterCard will not work. Okay, it has come. Thank God. We just open. Then this is the image. You want to crop the background or the blue sign things. We don't need it. So what do? First, duplicate your image, duplicate it here. It's okay. After you do what? Come and choose your solid color. Yeah, which I mostly use red. That's my favorite. Click the OK. Now what do? The solid color is first. Just click it, hold it, drag it down to the middle. Leave it there. It's now in the middle. What do I go next? Come here. I select my tool. Right click on this one and choose background eraser tool. Maybe I click it. I can begin my work. One thing is that this one in the MasterCard, I think there's already red in. So I think my solid color, I have to change it. I have to choose something like green. I think green will work. Green, because I want to see what I'm doing. So I've changed the solid color. If you want to change it, if the color you chose, you want to change it, double click on the color, it will come, then you change it anywhere you want. So close it. I've chosen green. So right now I want to come and work, but you see it has been cancelled. Since I have to choose the image itself, select the image. Now you can come and work on it. I've already told you zoom out. You just click Control plus, you zoom out plus, you zoom out minus, you zoom in. All right. So we have selected our eraser tool already. I told you, you click, you choose background eraser tool. Okay. But then it appears like our listing is too small. And when I click, you see the eraser is too small. So let me increase the eraser small. Say make it. Okay, it's too big already. Okay. Okay, I can use now. Okay, good. So right now I want to remove the blue background, blue, and then I'll remove all these things too. It's very simple. So what do? I just have to check my tolerance. Right now it's at 30. Let me see. So you are cleaning the blue. So start from the blue. Click on the blue, hold it, and be cleaning. Okay, I think it's working. The 30 is working. It doesn't mean it's okay. Let's zoom out and see whether it's truly okay. There are some still blue around it. There's some blue around it. So let's try to make it, let's make the tolerance to maybe something like 40. Select the blue, Now move it around. Okay. Appears still some small. Let's make it 60. Okay, 61. All right. Okay, I think now it's okay. It's better now. So zoom in, make it small so that you can quickly rub it. Just between it. So go around it, just simple like that. Go around it, go around it, go around it. Go around the image. You are selecting, go around. Oh, you have selected some portion. You see the blue here. But the blue is also here. It has been selected. So press Ctrl Z to just go back. Then start your cleaning again. All right. So I can now clean. Okay. Continue. Let's come here. Clean the borders of the image. That's the most important thing, because when you finish the rest, you know you're going to use another tool to delete it. So don't worry. Just clean the borders, clean the borders, clean the borders. All right, we are done. So since we are done around it, I can just come and select my magic tool. Magic tool. So it's like after you have cropped, you have cleaned around the image. Everything else that you want to delete, you can just use the magic tool. So let's use the magic tool here. Then I'll just immediately select, I'll just click delete on my my computer. I click delete on my computer, I'm done. I can select this blue one. I click delete on my computer, it's all gone. So I can now click outside and it's clean. But at the same time, when you look here, it's like there's something small here. Something small here, yellow. I think you can clean this one. Just zoom out a little bit so that you can see it. Zoom out a little bit. Okay. This is the yellow thing. I want us to clean it. I don't want it to be there. Or should be there. No. I want to clean this one. So just come and clean, select your background eraser again. And click on the yellow. This image is gone. Simple. Now everything is clean. You can now move on. So let's see if everything is clean. Just close the eye of the solid color, close the eye of the background image, and everything is now neat. This is MasterCard. Now you can save your work. You just come here, click File, click Save, then give it a name you want. Yeah, I said the Save As type. Which one? This one. Just click and choose PNG. Then you have given it a name, so you can just know where you are saving it to. This one I'm saving it to desktop, Mr. Ike lesson. So that's where I save it to. So I click save. Immediately I'm done. It's just non-fast. So just choose the first one, non-fast, and then no. Click OK. The image is saved. You can just go and check. It's very simple. So this is just by the way we are going to continue the classes.